Changing out rocker switches, unfortunately I'm seeing a lot of lemons, and when you're changing out something like a 4-gang plate like this, it's really good idea if you can figure out a way to identify these lemons before installing them. That way you don't have to take everything back apart to replace one.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon
right at the subscribe button,
and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Okay, so changing these out, rocker switches, and this looks like all these are on the top, coming from this nut. So just going to mimic that with this one. This is the top one here. But what I was actually meaning to show you was that you get a lot of lemons with these rocker switches. So when you're changing these out, you just want to make sure you hear a good click. If you don't get a good click, you got a lemon. And because there's about 1 out of every 10 of these like that, it's a good idea to catch them on your install. That's what I was going to show you. But also found a bonus deal on figuring out on this setup which one's the top wire, which one's the bottom wire. It looks like the line is the top on this, the load is the bottom wire, or at least that's how they have this one hooked up. Anyway, a quick search of my YouTube channel, you should find a bunch of different videos that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs. Also, there's links in the description below the videos to tools and parts used in the videos.